Okay, YouTube, so Paul Bates here. Today I want to talk about my broken 50, and it's just a couple, we'll touch base on a couple different things here, but we'll talk about the stock market a little bit like that. But one thing that the stock market doesn't have on us UTVers, and we all are used to this, is when I paid $30,000 for my UTV, I thought that was just outrageous. I go, you gotta be kidding me, I just spent $30,000. I just lost $15,000 that day. I mean, the car, if I keep it in impeccable shape, which mine's not, I mean, I run it into the, not intentionally, but you know, it runs across the brush there, so it's got scratches down the sides and stuff like that. Can't help it. I mean, it's part, if you're gonna own one, I mean, if you're gonna ride it, it happens. But it decreases the value. My car definitely doesn't look brand new anymore. I would say on the market it's worth about $15,000. So us UTVers, man, we are some tough birds, man, because we already know what it's like to take a 50% hit on our money. We did it when we bought our UTVs. Get you some of that. So we're really resistant to the stock market and what's going on with it. So you guys crying about, woo-hoo, I lost 10, 15, 20%? Yeah, big deal. We've lost 50% of our money already. Get you some of that. But today, I want to talk about something that is serious, and that is the stock market. The stock market is coming down right now, and it's actually the best time to get involved in it. And if this video does nothing else for you, man, just get you some Robinhood, get you some Abra, and just look at it, man. Just buy, you know what, my cheeseburger investing, just buy one share of something, you know, and figure it out. But I want to just talk about it. I'll go over a couple stocks with you real quick, and I'm not a stock picker, trust me, but I've been watching it now for about 4 or 5 years. This is a prime opportunity for me to get in there and get some, and I will be getting some. I've lost, I don't know, $15,000 over the last couple of weeks, which I kept my losses, in my opinion, pretty small. And I'll get back. There's no doubt about it. I'll get right back in there and get me some. But I just want to talk about when you're looking at stocks in the stock market, you're looking to try and invest, you open that Robinhood account, you open that Abra account. I think it's very important that you don't have this mindset of get rich quick. It just doesn't happen. Like right now, we're going to see the market, and there's a bunch of stuff going on. I can talk about a bunch of it. I've learned a lot over the last 6 months, as when I or about the last year, I really started trading and figured out what kind of a trader I am. I'm an investment trader, you know. I don't want to say that I'm Warren Buffett, but you know, that's the type of investor that I am. I look for the companies. And one thing I want to talk about right here real quick is the different kind of stocks you can buy. And I don't want to give stock advice, but I would just want you to open your mind and think about it before you just start investing money and putting money into the market. So one thing that's very, very important, just like our UTVs, our 50% hit that we take on our UTVs, you got to look at the money that you put in there. So it's gone. It's not coming back. It's over with. Forget about it. So, you know, you give up one cheeseburger a week and go in there and invest $6 or $7. Right now it's pretty cool because Robinhood will let you buy, you don't have to buy the whole share. So if you want to invest in Tesla's right, I don't know, changing somewhere around $600 a share, and you only have $10 to put in, you can buy just a portion of that share. So that's pretty cool, actually. So I like that. So you can do that. And the reason I want to talk about Tesla and Ford is just two different companies with two different ideas. And the reason, what makes it so powerful is this. So we had Henry Ford in 1902 or something like that. He said, hey, I'm going to revolutionize the automobile. I'm going to make it affordable for every person in the United States. He had a vision. And in that vision, he says, hey, this is what I'm going to do. He started the assembly line. He's the one that started all that stuff. And he had a great vision. Well, the reason Ford today trades at about $6 a share, and I've learned this over years. I've watched that stock. I don't own a bunch of it. Over the years, I've been in and out of it a couple times. It was probably one of my best investments in the beginning because, you know, I'm getting a dividend and stuff like that. And Ford today pays a 15% dividend. You can pick it up for $6 today, and you get a 15-cent dividend on that every single quarter. So every 3 months you get a dividend. So that's very, very cool. But this is what I really want to talk about, why Ford trades for $6 a share. So the reason is because you have all the grandsons, the sons, and all that stuff. They've all left Henry Ford, and they had the great idea. They built this Ford pickup truck, and that Ford pickup truck, in my opinion, is the best pickup truck in the world. So they did that. They took the assembly line, they took every vision that Henry Ford had, and they just make it better and better and better. Well, why doesn't the stock get better and better and better? Because it's a dinosaur. And because Ford doesn't have any forward-thinking ideas. They just want to perfect the dinosaur. Well, what happens to dinosaurs? They die. Okay? We all know that. So Ford is a dying breed. The automotive industry is a dying breed as we know it. But there's a company called Tesla, and most of you guys have heard about it. And Tesla, you got this guy named Elon Musk. He has a vision, and that is the problem with Ford. Their vision is to perfect the dinosaur that is dying. So if that's, and it's just the truth, you know what I'm saying? It's like Henry Ford Jr., the grandson that's running it right now, he just has the idea of what his grandfather had, and he perfected it. And I'm going to tell you, he made the best pickup truck in the world. Congratulations, you know, you did it. You did it, hey, baby, you got it. But you also perfected the dinosaur, the dying breed, and that's why your stock does, you know, it'll never really go anywhere. It'll never, I mean, someday it might see 12, 15 bucks. But these guys didn't, the guy doesn't have the vision, the Elon Musk vision. He doesn't have that vision, and that's what makes Tesla stock so powerful. And sometimes it's not always best to invest in that $6 stock. If you go give up your cheeseburger this week one time, that's all I'm asking, one cheeseburger every single week, one lunch every single week, go to McDonald's, say, hey, I don't have any money for lunch today, I'm gonna put this into the market here, and you invest that, you want to invest in a company that has that forward vision. I'm not saying Tesla, I'm not telling anybody to invest in it. You guys need to do your own homework. You need to watch the videos, you need to read. Every single stock I buy from here on out, I will know the CEO, who he is, what's he doing today. I will know everything about him because I don't want to deal with the loser. I don't want to deal with the guy that get-rich-quick schemes and stuff like that. I just don't want to do it anymore. I don't have time, man. I'm 57 years old. Time's running out. TikTok, that clock is going, baby. It's going. Get you some of that. Yeah. Well, that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it my time. I'm going to put in the due diligence and pick the stocks that I know are going to go somewhere. And that's what, I mean, if a stock doesn't move, even the market, man, this volatility in the market right now, wham, it's crashing, baby. But if it doesn't crash, it can't go back up. If it doesn't go up, it can't come down. If it just stayed at that nice even line right there, there'd be nothing to do with it. So this is super exciting times. Get out there, get some Robinhood, get some Abra, get into your digital currencies, think forward, don't think back, don't worry about history. History is over with. You can't take it back, you can't do anything with it. Get in there and get some. All right, so Paul Bates, Broken 50, get out there. Hope to see you guys out on the trail. Hey, and remember, hey, we're all gonna lose. Someday we all lose. If fear has you and you would say, hey, I can't get in the market now, it's just gonna take my money. Hey, I'm just asking you to give up that cheeseburger, man. Just give it up once. Hey, you might even lose a little bit of weight. Hey, Paul Bates, peace out. Thank you guys. Be good out there. Love you guys. Bye.